guys, today we are going behind the scenes to explore the fascinating psychological forces that shape those feelings of self-assurance or lack thereof. Mental blueprints, the power of self-schemas. Imagine your mind holds a file cabinet full of information about yourself. These files are your self-schemas. They are those deep down beliefs you have about your own personality, skills, and overall worth. Think of them as mental blueprints. If some of the key files in that cabinet are labeled, "I always mess up," or "I don't deserve good things," it's going to color how you approach challenges and make confident action difficult. Let's say you have a friend named Sarah who's super sporty and outgoing. Since childhood, she's always been praised for her athletic confidence and skills. Her self-schema likely includes beliefs like, "I am a natural athlete and I'm good at trying new things." This translates into confidence on the playing field and the willingness to try new sports. Confidence of competence. Understanding self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is actually another crucial piece of the confidence puzzle. This refers to your belief in your ability to accomplish a specific task. You might feel generally unsure of your social skills, but when it comes to your area of work, you are a pro. Why? Because thorough practice and success, you have built strong self-efficacy in that domain. Think of a seasoned chef who has mastered several cuisine styles. Even if a new recipe looks complex, they likely have an underlying confidence of, "I may need some practice, but I can figure this out." That's self-efficacy at play. Our inner critique, the negativity bias. Unfortunately, our brains have an unfair advantage when it comes to undermining our confidence, the negativity bias. This is an evolutionary relic. It was helpful for our ancestors to be hyper-aware of threats for survival. However, now it means that one snide comment from a coworker lingers in your mind for days while compliments barely register. Sounds familiar? I guess so. The negativity bias can wrap our entire self-perception. One bad interview doesn't mean you're terrible at job hunting. It just means that specific interview did not go well. Yet our brains have a tendency to generalize. Rewiring your brain, the positive focus challenge. Here is the exciting thing. Your brain is adaptable. You can counter that negativity bias. Here is your challenge for the next few days. Every night, write down 3 things you did well or 3 positive qualities about yourself. We are retraining your brain to hunt for the good.